almost over here, so she said one big house with, what is a peach or a something almost that house there, man. Hello? Hello? Oh, yes, open. Why them store shuts the door? Them store shuts. Oh, so nice here, and them full of plants. My God, not feed them. Good morning, good morning.
Good
Hi. Hi, Miss Christine, right?
Yes, this is. Are you Miss Jasmine from the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
This is my daughter Kate.
Whoa, hi, Kate.
My husband Brian.
Hi, Mr. Brown. Nice to meet you, Mr. Brown.
And my other daughters Brooklyn and
Hi, Brooklyn.
nice to meet you. Oh my God.
Hi, what is your name? Hi, Cynthia, Miss Jasmine. You have a beautiful family, ma'am.
I know, thank you. I was expecting you to come earlier. I thought you would have been here this morning.
Mama didn't know my way, so I did have to ask a lot of questions, but thank God I'm here.
You don't mind starting your duties right away?
Mama just reached, mom. But no problem, I'll be right away, right away.
Mom, she's tired. She's going very hard.
Give her a little some water.
Yes, please. Thank
Allow her to rest, you know. And about tomorrow, we can resume your duties. Just okay?
That's fine.
Thank you, mom.
Cindy or Brooke can make you a sandwich.
Sandwich, mom?
Did you bring something else?
No, mom, I love a sandwich. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Louis
So,
is in.
Huh?
Louis is in.
Okay.
Right here.
Thank you. Hi again. Wow, what a beautiful house.
Yes, this is our living room.
Yeah. There's not so much cleaning more than I forgot about.
We'll
Now.
help you.
Oh, thanks. Nice, beautiful house, man.
Don't worry.
Wanna someone must go which way?
Alright, so your room is around there.
Alright, thank you.
Miss Jasmine?
Yes, ma'am.
I see you getting along in my kitchen.
Yes, ma'am. Doing the best I can.
Are you going to break the bottle, Miss Jasmine?
No, ma'am, it's just that the season hard up, so may I try softening so we can put it on the chicken, ma'am.
So you're hitting it on the side of the counter?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you not have a counter at your home?
No, ma'am.
Do you even have a home?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know where the agency gets these type of people. I need some ice in my glass.
Ma'am, I'll get the ice there as soon as I finish.
I'd like it now, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't make me ask you twice, Miss Jasmine.
Sorry, ma'am. You won't have to ask me twice.
Do you know what time it is? I didn't ask for water, Miss Jasmine.
Sorry, ma'am.
My glass, please. This is too cold. Miss Jasmine, it is 6:31. My husband and I feed our children at 7.
Mama, I'll get this food finished as quick as possible, ma'am.
I'm expecting that.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me something, Miss Jasmine. Where are you from?
Country, ma'am.
Where is country?
Mama, I don't want to talk about it.
She speaks so poorly. Oh my God. I hope you're liking my home, though.
Yes, ma'am. It's very beautiful, ma'am. Nothing that I'm used to.
I would imagine so. Get dinner going, please.
I
You
am.
have half an hour. My husband should be back any minute. And if my daughters come in here, please let them know I'm in my room and I'm waiting for both of them.
The season is very hard now.
I'm sorry?
I cannot get the season out of the box.
Are you an idiot? I've never had a house help who doesn't know how to season chicken. Is it that you're not used to chicken? What do you eat? Do you even eat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? You look like you've never been fed. Half an hour, Miss Jasmine.
Yes, ma'am.
And I am waiting.
Yes, ma'am.
Good help is hard to find.
What is me dropping off a big house on the season hard up, then you want to go. Don't break the back out. I tell you this, don't break your hand for your hard up season. And you will find nothing good to put on the chicken. And what is? I really this me left my yard comfort. Don't break the back out. Evil season for put on the phone. I might cook it same way you give them. No liquor, no liquor, for dash on the phone. Then she want to come argue with me. Might not cook nothing. Just through one look work, you know.
Are you just going to leave those there?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. I'm going to take them up as soon as I finish. Just cannot bother if I walk back and forth every minute. So
What do you mean you can't be bothered?
Mama,
Am I paying you to not be bothered?
no, ma'am.
Miss Jasmine,
Yes, ma'am.
do you notice that there are pots and pans in the sink?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you just going to prepare a meal for my family with a dirty kitchen?
Mama, it's too, and I have enough, mama. I cannot do everything.
Excuse me?
No, mama, I will not do that. I will wash it them as soon as I finish. Mama, I'm sorry, mama.
Remember this, Miss Jasmine.
Yes,
My
ma'am.
husband and I are doing you a favor.
Yes, ma'am.
You were suffering, the agency told
Yes,
me,
yes, ma'am.
and we employed you to work.
That's what I'm doing right now, ma'am.
My glass needs to be washed.
I will.
No!
Yes, ma'am. Don't wash me. When we done cook my wash, my glass need to be washed. Anytime them rich and have things or people are selling there, my glass need to be washed right at this moment. Just too more look of work, you know. I'm gonna walk out a long time. Left my suffering life and come here to verbally have it. I almost verbally have verbal. Well, she said me done, so we not forget it right. Can't even find one look watch there. Chicken white like a what? You must see a bleach. Rich and don't have no season to put on the food. The day me have to cook. And she have 3 people in there and I don't want to.
What the hell are you doing, Miss Jasmine?
Miss, I'm just rubbing up the chicken, miss.
Are you complaining?
No, miss, I was singing, you know. I was singing, miss. I would never do such a thing.
In my house? In my kitchen?
Sorry.
Please do not even for a second allow a drop of your saliva in my food.
Sorry, miss. I will not have. No, yeah,
Are you trying to poison my family, Miss Jasmine?
no, ma'am. I would never do such a thing.
Is This is so crazy. We aristocrats have to work with the likes of you people.
What's what I mean by you people?
Don't you know what class you're in?
Miss.
Look at yourself and take a very good look at me. Do you not see how different we are?
Yes, Mom, I realize now.
Miss Jasmine, I have a business call to make. And I'll have you know I will be standing just outside my kitchen.
Yes, Mom.
I'd like to hear what else you have to say about me.
Mom, I won't have anything else to say, Mom.
And I'd like you to know that the pots and pans are still sitting in my kitchen sink.
Yes, Mom.
And if they have to wait 5 minutes more, I will be deducting this from your pay.
Mom.
You decide how much your family eats this weekend.
Yes, Mom. I'm going to wash them right now, Mom.
I'm waiting for dinner.
Yes, Mom.
Hello, Carl. You not believe what this girl brought me.
Hello, Auntie Jasmine.
Hi, Cindy.
You okay?
Why, Cindy, I'm really tired, but I'm getting through the day. I'm getting
So
through.
you eat from morning?
Well, I haven't been eating, you know. I've just been working, so.
Why?
Your mother just have me on my feet all day.
So when you cook, you don't eat?
I cannot eat anyways.
Why?
Your mother don't want me to eat any of the food. She said I'm not working, so I shouldn't be eating out the food.
Then what are you doing?
Huh? No, she said I don't work to provide the money, so I must only work and give you guys lunch and all these things.
Okay, when the food is finished, I'm going to give you.
No, Cindy, I wouldn't want your mother to get in any trouble, so it's
Don't
okay.
worry, sir. Don't worry about that. I'm going to give you. Just prepare the food, and when it's finished, I will give you some of mine. I will share
Alright,
it.
thank you, Mom.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Alright, so I'll go and wash them plate here before she comes and argue with me again.
Good afternoon, Miss Jasmine.
Afternoon, sir.
Boy, you're working very hard.
Yes, sir.
I just came in from the gym, you know. Where's my wife?
She's somewhere around in the room or something like that. I'm not really sure, sir.
Okay, see that you're doing the dishes now. What time? Okay. So what are you going to cook, ma'am?
Well, so I'm going to prepare some chicken and some rice, brown chicken and rice. So I'm just washing up the plate and I get straight to that.
What's for dessert?
Dessert?
Yes, ma'am.
Um,
Well, I'll leave you to it. I just came from work straight to the gym, so I'm just checking in.
okay, sir.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
So, Miss Jasmine, about what time I should expect the dinner to be prepared? Because I'm a bit hungry.
Well, sir, the dinner not start as yet, but your wife said you must eat at 7 o'clock. I'm going to try my best to try and finish before that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Miss Jasmine, I'm hungry, you know.
Mama, soon finish with your food now.
Miss Jasmine,
Yes, ma'am?
did you wash this cup?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
What is this? You know, I am done with this woman. Whew.
I don't deserve this. I really don't deserve this.
Miss Jasmine, you okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Nah, man, like you put much pepper on the food, man. You alright?
Yes, sir.
You sure you're okay? Like you can't cry. What's happening?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing?
Yes, sir.
Are you cry? Is a family member dead or something?
No, sir. I was just wiping off the counter and your wife came for some water. And to her, the cup didn't wash properly and she just threw the water in my face. And I find that very disrespectful, sir.
Christine?
Yes, sir.
I'll be back.
Yes, sir.
Christine! Christine!
Yes. What were you saying again?
Hello, lady, get off the phone for me, please.
Hold on, my husband just walked in. What happened, Brian? What's wrong? What is it?
Just a quick question to you, though. What happened in the kitchen area?
I'm not sure.
What do you mean you don't
We're
sure?
just waiting for Miss Jasmine to prepare dinner. What happened?
That's just it?
That's all I can remember.
That means I must like shut upon you then.
She said something to you?
She said something to me.
About me?
About you.
Oh, what did she say?
I went down to the kitchen, to get some water, to hydrate my system. But to my surprise, the floor was wet like a river.
What?
What?
Did she slip? Is Miss Jasmine okay?
Is Miss Jasmine okay? I heard that you were the one that splashed her with it. What happened?
No.
You did
Brian,
not?
you know me. I would never do that. You know what happened? Let me tell you what happened in the kitchen. So I took a cup of water because Miss Jasmine was there washing the dishes. And I said, you know what, let me just go and help her. Because you know we don't like to work the help too much.
Which is right.
And so when I took the cup, it was a little dirty and I slipped and some of the water fell. Brian, look.
And
Some of it fell on my, exactly, look. My dress is, feel it. Feel here, Brian. Do you see?
My God.
I'm not sure what happened. This must be what she was talking about. I'm so sorry. I really need to tell her that I'm sorry. But I didn't mean for it to spill on her. And I did say, I'm very sorry about that, Miss Jasmine. And she said it was okay. So I left the kitchen. But sit down there, are you okay? You must be so hungry.
I'm very hungry and so tired.
I don't want you to worry too much about Miss Jasmine. Tell me how was work today?
Must be a little misunderstanding.
It has to be.
Has to be.
How was work, honey?
Well, work was the same, the usual. Honestly, we got another client today. He was so, well, how could I say it, idiotic. This man. We have to work with those people. We have to work with those people, but people cannot be, such brilliant persons that we are.
As we are. I say this all the time to my friends. I met the perfect husband. I'm so glad we found each other. So you don't think you can move a little faster?
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Jasmine, where are the forks? What are they supposed to eat with?
Come in, ma'am.
Excuse me? What are you doing?
Eating, Mom.
How dare you sit at the table with me and my children? Move! This is not a place for you.
Sorry, Mom.
Up! Matter of fact, call my husband. He should be done with his bath by now.
Okay, Mom.
Tell him we're waiting. And I'm hungry.
Isn't good day, everybody.
Hi.
Hi,
So we should say grace.
Wait,
What?
it's Jasmine.
Yes, sir?
Where's at the table?
You know, she has a call to make. She has to call her grandmother in the country and she wanted to have her dinner in her room. So you can go ahead and do that now, Miss Jasmine.
That's it?
Yeah, she wanted to talk to her grandma.
Okay.
Go ahead then. No problem. Dinner looks lovely. Thank you.
Of course, I monitored it, so that's why. Let's hold hands and let's pray for grace.
That's just fair.
Alright. Thank you for this meal, dear Lord. Thank you for my wonderful family. Bless us all in Jesus' name. Amen. Alright. Let's have our dinner. Miss Jasmine!
It's lovely.
Miss Jasmine!
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Yes, Mom.
Thank you. Are you girls okay? You okay? Alright, that's good.
Here you go, Mom.
And I need one as well.
Yes, Mom.
Thank you. Then our room temperature water.
You know, honey,
Mm-hmm.
I think I need to make a business call. You know, have Miss Jasmine cover this up for me.
Sure.
Thank you.
We'll do that.
Yes. So
Here you go.
What is this?
The water that you asked
I needed cold water.
The
What is this?
cold water is finished, Mom.
No, I'm not drinking this. I need cold water.
Sorry about that.
How dare you give my child boiling water to drink? Go!
Sorry.
Sorry about that.
Mom, you don't have to be so rough.
What did you say?
You don't have to be so rough.
I'm not understanding you.
Mom, you don't
What is
have-
that before you?
This is
Eat your dinner. What is this? The atrocity! Miss Jasmine,
Yes, Mom.
are you sleeping in my sofa?
Mom, I was just laying down.
Get up this minute! You don't sleep out here.
Sorry, Mom.
I know what your plan is. So when my husband gets out of bed to use the restroom at night, you want to entangle him. Is that your plan?
Sorry, Mom.
I know how you young girls are. And I know what's on your little mind. Outside, I have the perfect space for you.
Yes,
Walk
Mom.
quickly. I have a plan for you. Look at you. Here is where you will be sleeping tonight and every other night.
Outside,
You
Mom.
will Can you hear me? You will remove one of these cushions, rest it on the ground because I don't want you to break my chair.
But the ground is cold, Mom.
Did you hear me?
Yes, Mom.
Remove the cushion, place it on the ground,
Yes, Mom.
and that is your resting place. Go
Mom.
ahead.
Can I get a pillow, Mom?
No. I don't put pillows out here.
Okay, Mom.
Rest. And I'd like you to treat that cover with respect.
Yes, Mom.
I'll have you know Brian bought me that the first time we went on a date.
Yes, Mom.
Look at you. You think you're just going to come into other person's house and enjoy yourself. You're just here to eat, sleep, and repeat. Look at my children's slippers and slaps out here. And you want to sleep? This is your bed.
Yes, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Look at you. Did you remember to set the alarm for tomorrow?
do that now.
And I don't want to sleep beyond 5:30. Remember, I have that meeting at 7.
At 7?
Mm-hmm.
I have to be at work by 8 myself.
Okay.
Alright, good night, honey.
I'll see you in the morning.
See you too. You know, before I go to bed, you know, I think that I should go to the bathroom.
Alright.
I'll be right back.
Daddy, what you doing here?
Come in, everything will be alright. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, yeah?
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Morning.
Morning, Mommy.
What's up?
Can I talk to you?
Brooklyn, you are talking to me.
Mommy, I know you don't really have a close relationship with me and Cindy, but I have something to tell you and it is very important.
What are you trying to say? Speak up, Brooklyn.
Mommy, last night when I was in my room and I was trying to sleep, Daddy came inside Mommy and Daddy touched me. He touched me, Mommy.
What do you mean your father touched you?
Daddy touched me, Mommy.
What do you mean he touched you? And why is it strange that your father would touch you? He's your dad.
Mommy, he told
In
me.
what way did he touch you?
Sexually, Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, he touched me sexually.
What do you mean your father touched you sexually?
Mommy, he came under the sheet and told me not to make
Stop
any
it,
sound.
Brooklyn.
Mommy, it's true.
How did you even
You
look
never
to...
listened to me, or you never listened to me.
Leave! Go!
And that's how you treat Cindy.
Shut it!
You never listen to her, Mom. You never listen to her, and it's always like this. And you need to stop, Mom. He came into my room, and he came under my sheet, and I screamed, and he told me to shut up, Mom. He could have killed me in my sleep because I'm a little girl.
Brooklyn!
Mom. You need to stop, Mom, and listen to me. You never listen to anything I say, Mom.
Do you
You
even care
need
that our
to
neighbors
stop.
may be hearing
I
this
don't
conversation?
care anymore because you don't care either. You don't care. You need to stop. You only care about Katie. That's all you care about. It wasn't about anything that Brooklyn or Cindy said. And now Dad came into my room and you're gonna tell me it's a lie. Why would I tell such a lie on my dad, Mom? Why would I? You shouldn't do that to me. I'm human. I'm only 12. I'm only 12. And you never listen to me. It is hurting me, and that's exactly how you treat the maid. That's exactly how you
So
treat
the maid
her.
is now a part of
Yes,
this?
she is, Mom, because you don't care anymore. You only care about Katie and Daddy. Not about me, not about Sydney, and not about our maid. And she is my mom, and not you anymore. Because you don't even talk to me. And now you're gonna tell me it's a lie, Mom. After I'm sitting here bursting in tears, you wouldn't even hug me. You wouldn't even say, baby, it's okay. I am here for you. You would never do that.
Are you done?
Because you don't. I know I'm not done, Mom, because you don't care. I hate you.
Brooklyn?
I hate you. And I'm gonna say it a million times. I hate you. Okay? I hate you. And that's the end of it. I don't want to be a part of your life anymore. If you rapes me, that's how it goes. Because you obviously, you don't care. You don't care.
And I bet you Brian would wonder why this child is not my favorite. The absurd... Oh my God, you know... Could that even... This child must be crazy. Oh my God. What an insane child I have for a daughter. Saying that Brian, my husband, her father, what? But Brooklyn has lost her rockers, man. Her dad. Her dad. My loving, caring husband. My Brian. But you know, I know Brooklyn's not the favorite of mine, but neither is Cindy. And I'm thinking, Brian is definitely not that type of man. But if he were to touch, would it not have been... But wait. What art? I can't believe. Oh my God. You see? This is why I told my mother I did not want to have children, you know. Because they just make your life so chaotic unnecessarily. Well, let's think about this. Christine, I can't believe you are even for a second thinking, but what if it did happen? Brian, Brooklyn, what if it did happen? Brian touching Brooklyn? Brooke!
Yes, Mom.
I'm calling you. Have a seat. So you've said your piece, Miss Brooklyn. And you are now thinking that because you're growing and you're getting older, that you're a woman. Is that it? So you feel you have the right to speak to your mother as you please.
You deserve it, Mom.
What do you mean?
You deserve
Brooklyn?
it, Mom.
Let us not forget that I am your mother.
And you're not anymore. You're not anymore.
I'm not saying that Brian didn't do it, but I'm not saying he did do it either. However, Brooklyn, you are a Francis. You are Brooklyn and Francis. Do you have the slightest idea what that means?
No.
Do you know what it means
No.
to be a Francis?
No.
Let me tell you, girl. It means that you will shut your mouth. If I hear this at any other house, if I am to ever hear this ever again from anyone else, Brooklyn, I will hurt you. Do you understand? You've just said I'm not your mother. You will wish that that was true. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Cindy? Cindy? No! Bring my purse. It's on my bed. Go. So, Miss Brooklyn, Miss Independent, Miss I am emancipating myself from my parents at 12. How much?
I don't want your money, Mom.
How much?
I don't want your money.
This is 2 weeks allowance in advance. And what this means, Miss Brooklyn, is that you will shut your mouth. Do you hear me? I don't care what happened, you are a Francis, and that means you will live up to your name. And you will never bring shame on my name. Do you understand? Brooklyn, do you understand? Here.
I hate you! I hate you! You wicked. You wicked.
These are the things that I have to put up with. And still I have to feed these children and clothe these children. And then there is the issue of the maid. You know what? I best finish this finding the reservation for myself and Brian for later. Because if Miss Brooklyn thinks she's going to, for a minute, ruin my anniversary, she have another guest coming. Let me just find this place and get this done. All right.
Hi Cindy, how you doing?
I'm okay, fine.
Yes Cindy, I'm just here doing the daily work.
I want to ask you something.
What is it?
Can you be my mother?
Be your mother? What you mean?
Because my mother don't treat me right and I don't have anybody to talk to. She only treat Kate better than me and Brooklyn.
Well Cindy, I don't really want to take up your mother role, you know, because I don't really know what you guys been through. I just can give you some words of encouragement and advice.
But I don't have anybody to talk to and she don't treat me right.
You can talk to me anytime and I'll always give a listening here. So what happened? What's come? Sit.
Hello? Why are you talking to the help? Why are you talking to the help?
I'm having a conversation, Kate.
Get up and go inside. You, Miss Jasmine, make sure that the house is spotless.
Yes, ma'am. Cindy, you can go on. I don't want you to get in any trouble.
But,
Wait.
but I'm talking.
Wait. Why are you harassing my sister? You're always like this. You are the queen. You are the princess. Why don't you leave her alone? You say you have perfect parents. You wouldn't even know half of the story. You're always speaking on her. You're always speaking on me. Mom is always saying you're right. Leave her alone. Come, Kate. Come, Cindy. You know, Mom doesn't like when you talk to her. She doesn't even like her. I understand you need someone to talk to. Talk to me, cause you know Mom don't like that. She's gonna beat you,
Okay.
and she gonna inform. Come, let's go, man.
Miss Kate, you can just excuse I can finish.
I'm not moving. It's my house.
I understand that is your house.
I'm not moving.
But I want to.
I am not moving.
Can you just open your foot a little?
Good day, everybody. Good day.
Good day, good day.
I heard a little ruckus. What's all the coming?
She's telling lies on me. She hit me. She also said bad things about Mom.
What's this, Miss Jasmine?
I was just
Saying bad things about my wife?
no sir, it was a mistake, sir. I'll never do such a thing.
You never do such a thing?
I was just sweeping and
Who was saying bad things about your wife? Kate? What happened, Brian? What's going on?
Just came in from the gym, you know, honey, and I heard a bit of commotion, and then he said Miss Jasmine was hitting her, so I was very displeased to hear what's going on.
Miss Jasmine did what?
Sorry, Mom.
You hit my daughter?
No, Mom, I didn't. I was just telling her to, so, you know, I could just sweep right.
You hit Kate?
No,
Are you
no,
serious?
No. This this not really far.
Kate, are you okay, honey?
You okay, Miss Jasmine?
Yes, sir, I'm fine. No, I'm just sick and tired of the abuse.
Sorry. I will try to